Hey everyone, RVing my way. Jim's here. And after yesterday's shoot, which I showed you how to put in the stop valves in the kitchen sink, the toilet, and the lav in the master bathroom or the bathroom, I leak tested, and I had a little leak at one of the rubber hoses and I had put a hose clamp on it. I tightened it up and I got it to quit leaking, but I'm never satisfied with that rubber hose using PEX fittings and things like that. So today I decided to replace this mess with this. This is PEX, and this is all set up in order to fit in there, and I've got the sweep bends so that the water pressure doesn't have to slow down any for it on that. So let me show you what I'm doing on the inside. So on the inside of the cabinet, underneath the kitchen sink, I just temporarily put that rubber hose back in, which comes from the instant hot water heater, curls up there, and then this is where I rebuilt the stop valves up there. And you can see that I've even changed the stop valve material from the rubber hose to the PEX there. And I think this is going to be, totally better. And I'll at least have the stop valves in if I do have a leaking issue, which I don't anticipate. So this is just an addition to the video yesterday I showed you about putting the stop valves in. And I'll show you a picture of this after I get it completed. Okay, we've got the new piece of Aquapex in with the stop valve, brass valve going to the rubber hose going somewhere else. That's only a 4-inch piece in there. And then that goes down here and connects to the water heater down here. So we still got to leak check this one, but so far everything else is working out fine. So we'll put this in addition to the other video about these stop valves. Thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you.